Good morning. This is Keisha here at TradeWithResolve.com, and this will be a live day trading video. Now, if you're interested in viewing more live trades along with learning basic terminology when it comes to the stock market, be sure to go ahead and click the subscribe button below. So I'm currently looking at Facebook here. We have a gap up this morning. So I'm going to wait and see if I can find a good setup here. And if so, I'll put on a position. So I am now in the trade. I bought 4 contracts at 112. And I am expecting the price of Facebook to decline. Let's see what happens here. So Facebook is exhibiting a lot of selling pressure this morning, which is exactly what I was hoping to see. So I'm just about to start scaling out of the position here. We're getting a very nice breakdown. So I am all out of the trade. I made $112 on the trade, which equated to a 25% gain. I hope you enjoyed this short live trade, and also if you are new to the stock market, be sure to check out the link below for my free Trading Essentials video lesson series. Thank you so much for watching, and I look forward to seeing you in the next video.